Hello friends, so we are going to unbox this stylus which is from ELV. So this is the second gen stylus that I got for my tablet. So we are going to unbox. So I bought it from Amazon. It costed me around 435 rupees and it has these 4 features what's mentioned on the box, which has drop protection, scratch protection, dust protection, and easy to install, the points that are given. So only this was the content that I got inside my Amazon packing. So let's open it and try to see what we get. So I will just quickly open the box and let me get out. Okay, so we get this type of packing where I can see one extra point is also given, and this is the blue color. So I have seen 2 options here, blue and black, so I got the blue one. So इसको ओपन करते हैं. ओके, इसके अंदर एक पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट. दिस इज़ माय स्टाइलस. सो बिल्ड क्वालिटी के हिसाब से इट लुक्स गुड, प्रीमियम, थोड़ा हैवी साइड पे है. सो इसको एक बार ओपन करके देखते हैं कैसा है. सो इसमें थ्रेड्स हैं, सो यू हैव टू रोटेट एंड ओपन इट. So it would be something like this, and the best part is the cap you can go ahead and turn it at the back side to use it. Okay, so as per the description, it can be used with any Android or the touch devices, so even iPads. So let me get my tablet and see if it works here. So this is my Acer tablet, which I already did unboxing, and the video is already mentioned in my channel. So this is my tablet. Let me open a application. So I use this draw application, and let me see how it works. So the only drawback here you can see, like if you are placing your hand on it, it will detect that. So let's see how it is writing. So it's easy to write. It's working good. Let me make some shapes here. It's quite good. So it's looking good in terms of this application. So this is a draw application. I will clear it out. I have one more application that I have installed for this. So that is called as the Autodesk Sketchbook. So let me try this stylus in that as well. Okay, so I will select the pencil and the color is orange here, so I can write my name. Okay, so it's very light pencil and it is working. So you can change the shade. Let me take some other color. blue. This is for shading, so it's easy to use. Let me take a pen. Let me do some settings of this pen. Size. Yeah, it's working quite good. Depending upon, as this is a fountain pen, so it is working on that. Let me select a normal pen. So I can see a little bit of lag in this application, but the previous application that I was using, the draw, it was working very good there. Maybe I need to do some more settings here to use it better in this application, but it's useful. At this cost, I think it would be a good stylus to work, so it would be really useful for the trainings, online trainings, learning. So it would be a good stylus to use at this price point. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.